Hello everyone. Welcome to the May 2019 Happy Meal haul. Always got to remind myself what month it is. We're getting to almost the middle of June. I'm behind. Getting there. Okay. So the May theme, it was Father's Day / masculine themed cards. Always try to keep the themes open-ended. A disclaimer as always. Themes are not set in stone. I'm going to be showing all kinds of random cards today. All the info, if you're not familiar with the Happy Meal haul videos, or if you're new to this or whatever, info will be in the description box below, as well as on my blog. On my blog there's like all the info. So these are cards that you guys have made and sent in to my P.O. box. This first one's from Miranda in the UK. This is a big card. It's like almost 6 inches by 8 roughly. So I really like how you did the glasses. I was thinking, I was like, ooh, there's like transparency. Yeah, you can kind of see the reflection, but I was like, oh, you could use like, if you tinted it, like ideas. Lots of ideas. And a paint, like a paint chip swatch. Those have been like off and on, like really popular with card makers. I used to see people like, when it really became big, like taking handfuls of them from hardware stores, which I kind of thought was ridiculous, but I like the idea of, you know, getting use out of them and stuff too. So really fun. So got that one. And then we have another set from Lena in Persia. If you haven't seen the other Happy Meal hauls, they, you know, do cards together and then they send them in, and it's fun to see the like the individual takes on the cards. So we've got these. Oh, this is fun. You can hear it. That's cute. Really neat way to do a shaker with the like the micro beads, but like it's not like a big open area, if that makes sense. And I like that. It's something different. Best dad ever. That's fun. It's like the static. Ha! Brilliant. Envelopes all decorated. This is really cute. So that was Lena's card, and then Persia's is square card. Ooh, this is like glittery embossing powder. Really like, I assume this was like a stencil, or you made a stencil. Like how it all kind of ties together. Really fun. Really fun. So yeah. Thank you for those. And then we've got this one from Cindy. So many of you, and I like showing like so many of you like decorating envelopes. I always get a kick too out of like the amount of you guys that have adhered images, like not just stamped, but like adhered labels, adhered, you know, stamped or die cut images. And I've never, as far as I'm aware, had an issue. There are times like where envelopes will, like this I ripped open, but like the backs of the envelopes, so like the flap will have been caught in the machines and different things, and like sometimes envelopes have been like destroyed, but it's amazing still, you know. As long as it's glued down good, I don't see any problems with it. I like to point it out because I think it's cute. And yeah, it goes through the mail with just standard stamps, etc. So anyway, this one's from Cindy. This set, I don't, of all the Lawn Fun sets I've collected, I still don't think I've got this one. This came out a few years ago and I still think it's cute. So yeah, Dad, you're amazing. Like maize, corn. You're amazing. Just really cute. And I really like, I wanted to point this out. What a cute idea to do a little pocket in the back, and then you have your, like, who it's made by little as like a tag. I think that's such a cute little idea. Instead of just stamping on the back or writing your name, I was like, what a fun little way to kind of get attention to that too. It's like, isn't that cute? And then obviously if you didn't want to do a made by, you could include like some little money or make it like a gift card size. Anyhow, so I got this one. And then this one came from Tammy in Maine. This was just for me, but I share all the cards. This gorgeous little Happy Mother's Day card. So really pretty. Thank you, Tammy. It was really thoughtful. That really made my day to get that. And there's like some little shimmery splatter on there. So pretty. So pretty. So we got that. And then this one from Stephanie in Germany. Love how you did the envelope. I love, this is another little Lawn Fawn set. I'm obsessed with Lawn Fawn. I collect it. But I like how it's, you know, you stamp the whole envelope. You guys have some of the cutest postage stamps too. That just made my day, like just getting in the mail. I was like, oh, these are so cute. So yeah, and then it just continues onto the card. So really cute. And I never would have really thought of doing just like ice cream cones as like a Father's Day card, or, you know, but it works so perfectly. So yeah, I think that's just so cute. So cute. Love it. Got that one. And then another one, this one's from Susie. This was just a just because card. I got a kick out of this. So we have, in my imaginary neighborhood, you live right next door. So just really, really cute. And then she always includes on her envelopes like these random phrases that she adheres in. Go braless, it will pull the wrinkles out of your face. I laughed when I read that. Like I just just little random things, like why not? Throw it on an envelope, you know, like love it. So got that one. And then this one from Charlotte. And she explained, I was curious, I was like, how did you get this? Like, how did you get that on there? I was curious. I was like, this is not heat embossed. And it's like, it's foiled. And I was like, She explains like she does her own like little digital images and whatnot. And we'll use her, I think she said her, is it her Cricut? Her Cricut machine? I think that's what she uses. Yeah. She creates it on Procreate and then foiled it using her Cricut. I know the Cricut, and I think it's We Are Remember Keepers does that foil quill pen thingy. I still have zero interest in those machines, but it's neat seeing what other people create with them. It's a really neat idea. So it's cool, and it's neat that you could add that to an envelope and stuff too. So there's options with them. I'm still not gonna get one, but I like seeing what other people come up with, you know? So really fun. So we've got that one. And then this one from Madeline. I love the Argyle, like with the golfing and everything, like it all just ties in, black and white stripes, of course. So really cute, such cute little images. And then yeah, have a terrific day. I love putty sentiments, so really fun, just cute. Cute. I like how the scene was created. So I've got that one. And then I've got these ones from Marie. So a kind of more just because card. I really like this like foiled dark background. I just think it's so pretty. And then the one for the masculine theme. This was a Simon Says Stamp set, and I was talking about how it's so good for masculine images. It was part of a card kit a few months ago, and I did a video or two on it. Really like that. Really like this background again too. Like just fun. You know? So fun. So those were all the cards that showed up in my P.O. box during the month of May. Like always, please, if anyone has questions or just wants to leave comments and tell people how, you know, much you enjoyed their cards, leave that in the comments below. I read all your letters. I can't respond personally, but I do read them. And it was nice to see a couple of you guys saying like you were intimidated. There's like trucks driving by. You know, intimidated about sending in cards, yada, yada, yada. And how many times I've said, please don't be. You know, we've all got to start somewhere. It's always nice to see everyone's different take on things, everyone's different levels. I don't really see the levels of creativity, all of it. It's just interesting. And even simple little things like, you know, funny little sentiments that just crack me up. So yes, don't ever feel intimidated. This is a hobby. It's therapy, you know, all that stuff. You get out of it what you want. So always, huge thank you to you guys. Huge thank you, as always, to my patrons. You guys are amazing, are enabling me to continue doing what I do. Everyone just building up this, like, it's already a great community, honestly. Whether you're part of my little niche, my little corner of the interwebs, or, you know, just the crafting, like, card making community as a whole is very much, like, super positive. I had got another letter about that mentioned that too, like someone saying like they just got back into, you know, doing their own YouTube videos and stuff, and how positive of an experience the card making community is. And I'm like, yes. There's there's a few bad apples with everything, you know. Those ones just get deleted and blocked when they get nasty on my social medias, but the vast majority of you guys are all pretty darn awesome in my opinion. I'm biased, but still, I think I've got some of the best audience peoples ever. So thank you guys. There's my ramblingness for the day. Here's the awesome cards. Like I mentioned, links, info, etc. if you're curious about all this will be below. Huge thank you to you guys. Huge hugs to you guys. Huge hugs to you guys. Everyone. Hugs all around. You guys rock. And I will see you all very soon in the next video. Bye.